Greetings, dear listeners. My name is Serikbayev Syrym, and today our broadcast is dedicated to geoeconomics. Geoeconomics is the study of the spatial, temporal, and political aspects of economies and resources. States seek to collect as much in revenue as their fiscal codes prescribe and are not content to let other states tax commercial activity in the former's purview. This is a zero-sum situation. States predominantly regulate economic activity to maximize outcomes within their own borders rather than for disinterested transnational purpose, even when the outcome is suboptimal for other states. The logic of state regulation then conforms in the part to logic of conflict. States and blocks of states strive to restrict their payouts and services to their own residents. Moreover, states design their infrastructure projects to optimize domestic utility, regardless of how other states are affected, as opposed to the transnational utility. States or blocks of states promote technological innovation to maximize benefits within their own boundaries, rather than for the sake of innovation itself. States engage in geoeconomic competition through assisting or directing domestic private entities, or through direct action opposing foreign commercial interests. States assist private entities through supporting high-risk research and development, initiation, overseas market penetrating investments, and through production over investment for market share forcing. More directly, states impose taxes and quotas on foreign products, bolster regularity or covert independence to imports, engage in discounted export financing, initiate national technology programs, and collect economic and technical intelligence. Geoeconomics is not to be confused with mercantilism or neo-mercantilism. Under mercantilist philosophy, the goal of which was to maximize national gold stocks, when commercial quarrels evolved into political quarrels, which could then lead to military conflicts. Therefore, mercantilist competition was subordinate to military competition, as the former modality was governed by the ever-present possibility that the loser in a commercial quarrel could then challenge the outcome militarily. In the new era of geoeconomics, however, there is no superior modality. Both the causes and the instruments of conflict can be economic. When commercial disagreements do lead to international political clashes, the disputes must be resolved with the weapons of commerce. And now our broadcast is over. Please subscribe to this channel. That was your host, Serikbayev Syrym. Goodbye.